we are the technology supplier in Thailand. We have many business units. I mean, we have 3D design business unit. We have 3D printing, and yes, one of the unit that we have is the automation. This is the JAKA cobot is the main product there. We have a technology innovation center, our own. So we provide the JAKA cobot in that innovation center to show to our customers that is the main. We have our customer base for more than 3,000 company in Thailand. So we have almost every kind of manufacturing to be our customer. So we can make a lot of show for them. Labor cost, everything, technology coming so fast, labor cost going high every day. So the choice should be the cobot. And what kind of the cobot that we should find? We think that it should be the best in the future. Should be the best in the future. That means that if we can get them to be our product line in the business, so we can grow together, right? But the JAKA cobot is the cobot that provide the robot, not the cheapest one. You can find the cheaper than JAKA robot, but the quality is also another key, reliability. So JAKA cobot coming with the three of the components. First is the technology, which is we can say it's a world class. Second is the reliability. Customer can trust the robot, the JAKA cobot in their production line, right? If cannot trust, that means they have to worry all the time that production will be stopped if JAKA cobot or any robot that cannot work, which is right now JAKA cobot. As we sell to the customer so far, the feedback very good. And the third is the cost effective, which is not so very high. Is in the position of the easy to invest, and also can get like I tell you, the three main things. Actually, in the first or second customer that we deliver JAKA to them, they test a lot. They try to make it show me how can you fix your cobot if it's broken for today or something like that, and we can show them that it's we have a spare part, we have a technology, we have a support by a JAKA engineer that can serve their demand. But the only one thing that I would like to request to JAKA, just always keep amazing.